Sydney, I don't like watching Mickey Mouse. I'm going to turn it off.
It was at this moment that he knew. He felt.
She didn't even touch you.
Remy, what are these?
I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
Juno, you're gonna get stuck. Get your head out, I'm looking for some cardboard.
That's the reason why you want a small dog with?
Yeah.
Who did that?
No, Blue. No. Listen, stop. I see you smiling, girl. Are you smiling?
Jude.
Ready, Daisy? Ready? Come here, Daisy. Daisy. Casey, you dick.
Come on, Soika, time to get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Stop, you hoe! I'm so sorry I said that.
小宝回来。闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
嗯。
Oh my gosh, is that your daughter? How many months is she?
Ready for your hat? Ready for your hat? Is it perfect? That's almost perfect.
Right in my face.
No, pues este año va a cumplir 6.
What are you doing?
Stinky. Back here.
Do it.
So this is like once it's light, like you just feel it light, like kind of just like let it dry out and then beer water it.
Do him now. What's that? What's that?
That's a wide stance, my guy. Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over. Like, I could try, but you'd be like, no way.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you good? Yeah, you can do it.
Buddy, help him out.
You know what to do. Come on. See, I could be a father. I'm ready, Frank. Is this how you pick up your kids? No.
Not.
Oh my god, stop it.
Great set. You want the window down a little bit?
Oh, this is so much easier than carving a pumpkin. Oh. Ken.
Huh?
Bring your butt here.
Leaving you forever. Did you think it was forever? Forever? But Mama loves you. Daddy's right there.
This is what happens when the dog runs off. Has a lot of long hair on his neck. Twix, come here. Stop. Let's take a look at your neck. Look, that's just lovely. Oh, shake. Okay.
Oh, that was a good catch.
Tu prends un petit bout. Là, tu prends le petit bout de l'angle, ok? Un tout petit bout. Pas... Oh!
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
Rocco, can you please help your brother? Help your brother.
Dança, papai. Cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Cachorro feliz.
Me sacaron a pasear. Estoy en la playa. Estoy feliz, concha tu madre. Sale, concha tu madre. Estoy feliz, concha tu madre.
¿Quién tiró esa agua, Chingado, ¿quién tiró esa agua? Díganme, ¿quién la tiró? Díganme, ¿quién la tiró?
You can't bring your friends in the house.
There's no way there's a possum in the house.
That's the second time he's brought a possum in the house.
Always find them.
Ridiculous.
Go get him. Go in there. Get in there.
Beaumont,
Oh my gosh. Beaumont! Beaumont! Oh, oh my gosh. Having the water? Oh no, no!
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Meteor impact, some other impending danger. It is like you look at it and it's like whatever it is they give you, you believe it. And they're like, listen, we know.
You are not behaving. So you need to lay down.
Oh my God.
I just don't have the energy for this. I am unsubscribing from this drama.
Honey.
What are you doing? Dale, nobody believes you.
Walter.
Raven, leave it. Nope, nope.
You can do it. No. Good boy.
Good job, Tim.
Io mi so, lui il